everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Motovlog, and this is my riding review of the new Shoei, at least new to me, RF SR helmet. I picked this up yesterday at Cycle Gear, and just want to go ahead and say this video is sponsored by nobody. So this is an unbiased review. I got this helmet because, for number one, is the helmet I had before, it was a cheaper helmet. I'm not going to go ahead and name names, brands, but it got me by. But it was extremely loud. I mean, I'm going 55 miles an hour here, and that other helmet was, needless to say, it was about as loud as a half helmet. So not ideal for motovlogging. Also, this has a higher rating on it too on the Shoei. The Shoei has a snow rating on it, which is apparently the highest rating you can have for a motorcycle helmet. The other one had an ECE rating. I guess some pros and cons. Number one, this helmet came in right at $400, and it was actually more than I wanted to spend on a helmet, but I figured, you know what, this is an investment. It helps me out for motovlogging, and also, number one, safety. And so right off the bat, I was like, well, I don't know, that's kind of pricey, at least for me, more than I wanted to spend, but I'll go ahead and do it. I know Blockhead has a review on it. He has an opening and unboxing and all that. I was going to do all that, but I was like, well, they already have that, so I'm going to do a riding impression video, which is what this is. Right off the back, this helmet is lighter. The one that I used to have was a modular helmet, and it got the job done, but it wasn't anything special. The main thing was, being a modular helmet, is it had a lot more places for air to seep in and make it louder. And I can tell you this right now, I'm going 55 miles an hour. I just got off the highway, going about 75 miles an hour, and oh my god. The good thing about this helmet is, number one, the noise level is day and night different. I almost feel like I had to wear earplugs in my last helmet. Not from the motorcycle exhausts, which you know I love, but because of the wind noise. This helmet, I'm telling you, man, a lot more quiet. Also, number two, is air vents up top. It has two air vents up top in the front, and then two exhaust vents. And the way it's designed is that I'm actually getting airflow. My other helmet had terrible airflow. I'd had the chin vent open and the head vent open, and it was like nothing. This right here, oh man, it feels good. It's 92 degrees outside right now, and look at that beautiful sky. But anyways, I'm not baking my head in this helmet. I love the way it feels. Now, my last helmet I had, it kind of rested on top of your head, and there's not a whole lot of support for your dome. This one, it feels like it rests on your cheekbone and your jawline, and it's kind of a different feeling, but it takes a lot of pressure off the top of your head. So in that aspect, it gives you less fatigue. It feels like it's actually would be more secure in a crash too. The other helmet I had, it just you get what you pay for. Let's just put it that way. What I do miss on my other helmet is it had a flip down sunshade visor, so you can flip it down. This helmet does not have that, and I believe it's to do with the get the regulations of getting the Snell rating. You don't want to have an extra flip down visor that can shatter on you when you crash, so they don't have it on here to get that extra high rating. Each of these Shoei helmets they're hand built in Japan, and you could tell that they did a lot of research in this. They have this designed, at least this specific Shoei, designed for more upright riding, so cruiser riding, like what I'm doing right now. So the vents are in the perfect place. I'm sitting right here at the perfect place to get airflow going through here. They have the wind tunnel tested to where if you're upright, this helmet will do you better. I believe the Shoei RF 1200 is more for sport bike riding as far as comfortability wise. I thought about getting it, but the guy over there at Cycle Gear said that this is actually more designed for cruisers, and I took his word for it, and dead on. This bike, I mean this helmet on this motorcycle, the Sport Glide, is comfortable. You just feel more secure, and the thing is they have different lid sizes, so you know the small is not going to be the same shell as a large. You're going to have it custom designed for your head, and you also have different cheek padding and all that goodness. Another good thing about this helmet that the other one didn't have is it had a quick detach for your cheek pads. So if you were to get in a wreck, all the EMS has to do is pull on the red tabs. They pull right out. You don't have to move your head or nothing. They don't have to cut nothing. They'll probably cut your D-rings, but regardless, all the safety features in this helmet, along with the quality and the fit and finish, are just amazing. They do come in solid colors only. I chose the matte black since it goes better with my theme of my motorcycle, wearing black and silver and all that. I'm telling you, this airflow is amazing. It's amazing. I don't have the chin vent open because I don't want to have a bunch of wind noise coming in. Believe it or not, my last helmet, I never had the chin vent open, and I still got all the wind noise. But I'm telling you, this thing is amazing. Let's find a way to turn around up here. That beautiful house, that little pond. About to go fishing on that. Let's see when I turn around up here. Let's see here. Never really been this way before, so I'm going freeway speeds right now, and yeah, you get some wind noise. I mean, you're going 65 miles an hour, 60 miles an hour, but my God, it's day and night different from my last helmet. I mean, you probably hear it on my older videos, all the wind going through that helmet. Well, that's with a dead cat on the microphone, which is a little called a dead cat. Looks like a dead cattail in a sense, but it goes around the microphone. You've probably seen them, and if you've seen post-production of or people filming things, this big foam thing around the microphone and whatnot, it's supposed to cut down on wind noise. It's supposed to hit that before the wind hits your microphone. Therefore, the energy is hitting the little dead cat or the foam and not the microphone. Well, even with all of that, still heard a bunch of noise. So going full circle here, the way this sounds and the way this feels is like nothing else. It truly is an amazing helmet. I'm gonna hop on the freeway here, get a little bit of audio of that, me going on the freeway. But yeah, this helmet, it's equivalent of having a my last one was kind of like having like a 1985 Honda Civic that had all the pick and pull parts on it. Worked great, did its job, but was not very nice. This Shoei is like having a Mercedes or something like that as far as quality comparatively. But I mean, I'm telling you, I'd be going deaf right now. And this also has a one good feature on it too is, I forgot to tell you, is it comes with a pin lock on there. Now, Pin Lock is an actual company, and excuse me. No, it's not Corona or Corona. But Pin Lock is a company that you put an insert inside this helmet visor, and it cuts down on your fogging. I'm not really tested it out yet because it's, 95 degrees. Holy cow. Gotta slow down. I just realized how quick I was going. It just, this helmet insulates you quite a bit more, and you know how you usually are used to your bike and your helmet and all that, and the noise that you usually get at a certain speed, you go with the audio of it before looking at your gauges. I was going off that, and let's just say yeah, let's just say that was over a foot marker of speed right there, and oh my god, this is amazing. This is a game changer. Game changer for me as a rider, game changer for my channel. This is my first premium helmet I've ever used. Man, you feel more secure. It's tight. It's comfortable. It breathes. So I'm not cooking. I'm not frying an egg on my bald head inside this helmet. Man, let me tell you, this Shoei is something else. You truly get what you pay for. Well, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit the like button, hit subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think. What helmet do you have on your motorcycle? Do you even ride with the helmet? Peace out, y'all.